this particular situation, we have scanned a set of paper documents into the system, which is called a batch. And here we can see that they were scanned to the human resources payroll area. So to index these documents, we simply select the batch from this screen, and this brings up the document indexing portion. And over here we can see some basic information about the documents that were scanned. Over here is the first document that was scanned, so you're seeing that and you're ready to index it. So you see that we've already have this selected to go to the payroll area. That is selected when you scan the document. And then here are the index fields that you need to index when indexing these payroll files. Notice that there's a checkbox up here about copying the index values forward from a previous document. So if you have documents that all have similar metadata, or maybe only one of the fields change, selecting that option will facilitate the ease of indexing this. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and start typing in the name of a person that this is for. So again, this is providing suggestions of existing people in the system. You're not free-form text data entering, so this provides the consistency that you need within your system so that you have good data. So we'll do that, and then we'll pick the 28th of February to index. So I'll do index and complete. That indexes that document, and it brings the next document up to you right away. So notice we're on position 2 of the document. Here we're going to change this to a different user. So in this case, we'll do Bruce Wayne. Index that. And the payroll date is the same, so I don't need to touch that. So I just do index and complete. In this case, now we're going to come here and we'll change this to another user in the system, index and complete. And we'll then do Clark Kent. And this is the last document within the batch. So when I hit index and complete, it takes me back to the index document screen. So this would list other batches that are waiting to be indexed. In this case, we're done. So there's nothing more to do here. So this is document indexing of paper files.